1. Beavers, lodges. Let's gather sticks, mud, and stones for our lodge. An underwater entrance keeps us safe. It's warm and secure, perfect for winter. Where we build, we thrive. 2 weaver birds, suspended nests. This grass will make a strong nest. Predators won't stand a chance. Hanging it here ensures safety. Our chicks will be secure in this tight weave. 3. Leafcutter ants, underground colonies. These chambers will store our fungi. The ventilation system keeps it fresh. Our underground colony is coming together. Teamwork builds a thriving home. 4. Termites, mounds. Our towering mound is nearly done. The airflow inside is perfect for cooling. It's a fortress against the heat. A safe haven for all of us. 5. Bioweavers, hanging nests. This gourd shape will impress a mate. Hanging near water keeps us hidden. Females will love the craftsmanship. A masterpiece for our family.